Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Alistair from Melancholy Tech and Gaming. Today we are here to review and unbox the Pulse Escape from Motorola. I think they sent me back about £40, so they're a budget pair obviously. That makes me laugh. Studio quality performance. Not possible in a budget, but what they say to make people buy things. Okay, 10 hours playback, that's about right to be honest, from something which is in such a budget range. Rich HD sound with 40mm drivers. Driver size is good. Passive noise isolation. So what that means is that there's no active noise cancellation. There's nothing with a battery in there, which is and like an engine, which is blocking out noise. Passive means that basically the compression of it squeezing onto your ears is what blocks the noise. 60 meters of range in theory, so it must have maybe Bluetooth 5 on it or Bluetooth 4.2. Lightweight folds for travel, so that means they fold up, that's good. That's really good. Although it says Google Now, not Google Assistant, so I'm thinking this maybe is quite dated. The headphones. Integrated microphone for calls and multi-point technology for connecting two devices at once. That'll be interesting to see how that works. So it's Bluetooth 4.1, as we can see here. 40mm neodymium magnet driver, 32 impedance, 20 Hz to 20 kHz, it's good. Well, it's alright actually, but up to 200 hours standby time. Includes 3.5mm cable, charging cable, a booklet, and the headphones themselves. Okay. So you don't want to ruin the packaging, but they make it awkward to take the stickers off without ruining the packaging, really. I think what will be most interesting is whether these have any charge from the beginning, because the Beats headphones I reviewed earlier, the Beats Studio 3 Decade Edition, they had no battery charge at all, not 20%, not 30%, just zero, which I was quite appalled by actually. To be quite honest, I think it's amazing that Motorola's still going round. They're an old company, but they're hanging in there, as is Nokia, for example. They're now doing Android phones. The oldies do still stay, which sometimes is a good thing. Okie dokie, here we get to the rest of the unboxing. So they're in a really nice sort of plasticky bag. Plastic bag to be more precise. The cushions, they seem a lot less padded than, I mean, it's budget, so I guess you get what you pay for. It's a very simple. Look at this, pull on it. Makes me laugh. Well, at least it's easier to notice. So that pulls over, and your accessories are in just one tight little bag. It's simple, but I suppose don't knock it, because it's easy to understand, and it's, well, simple as that really. Okay, so I've got a lovely charging cable and 3.5mm, which is there. Quick start guide. Let's get into this. Oh, lovely, it's not even sealed. Okay, so the headphones feel quite strong. I mean, they're really light. I mean, you can clearly feel that they're plastic. I mean, if you look here, you've got the Motorola logo. You've got, I'm guessing they're buttons slightly, but it doesn't feel cheap, if that makes sense. I mean, it feels like strong plastic. Although it's very light, for example, if you shake it, you don't hear any rattling. I mean, I'm not sure how when they bend, I'm not sure how that's going to be, because with the last, oh, that's lovely. There's no awkward click, they just, see, right there, that's brilliant. Oh, that's lovely. See, that's amazing, because I was reviewing a different set of headphones earlier. The plastic felt cheaper, even though they're more expensive headphones, and it's just amazing how it depends on what the company's going for, because these are cheaper and they're stronger built, but also plastic. So maybe it's the materials, what they've used are stronger. And personally, I really like the feel of this headband. I don't know how it feels like on the head, obviously, but for now at least, this feels very cushionable, I think. Okay, you have your Motorola logo here. This isn't the side which controls the touch. This is the right hand side. the left hand side here, so as you can see here, you've got your play and your pause and the take call button. That I believe is minus volume or next track. No, previous track and lower volume. This side is next track and up the volume. You've got the wireless symbol there. Okay, so that's good. Always good. You've got the wireless symbol. And you've got a nice grey headband and it matches the cushions, which I think feel quite good. They feel really, if I lift that up, you can see obviously that bit there is red. But they feel really good, I think. They're a good material. But yeah, they feel strong and sturdy, and for a budget set of headphone, it's good that they feel like that, comparing to other ones. And I'll update this review with how I find them for listening to music, what sort of sound atmosphere they give off, and how long the Bluetooth battery lasts. But before I do that, let's actually find out, once we find out how to turn them on, let's actually find out if they have any battery. Oh, I guess these need charging too. Okay, then I'll update the review as I said then, and I'll let you know how they end up being. So please like and subscribe if you like the video. If not, then dislike, and put any comments you have or ways I can improve the video in making future ones, obviously, in the comments. Thank you and have a lovely day.